Every building, every bridge, and every highway we see today stands strong because of one hidden material: steel reinforcement bars, commonly known as rebar. They may look simple, but their strength holds entire cities together.
Today, we take you inside a steel manufacturing facility in the United States to see how steel rods are transformed.
This steel plant operates around the clock, producing thousands of tons of construction bars every month. The factory follows strict American safety standards and quality regulations to ensure every bar meets construction codes.
The schematic shows we can increase the cycle speed by 15%.
All right, I'll adjust the parameters on the control interface now.
Every step is carefully monitored because in construction, there is no room for failure.
The process begins with raw steel materials. Heavy trucks deliver steel scrap and solid steel billets to the factory yard. Strong buildings start with clean, high-quality steel.
Before production starts, the steel is inspected for composition and cleanliness. Only approved material moves forward.
Next, the steel billets are fed into a high-temperature furnace. Inside the furnace, temperatures rise above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
The furnace is computer-controlled to ensure consistent temperature throughout the process. Precision here is critical.
Now comes the heart of steel bar manufacturing. The red-hot steel passes through a series of heavy rolling machines.
This process, called quenching, increases surface strength while keeping the core flexible.
Cooling is carefully controlled to maintain the perfect balance of hardness and flexibility. These ribs help the steel bond tightly with concrete, increasing structural strength.
Even with automation, human expertise remains essential. Female East Asian operators monitor machines, temperatures, and alignment.
Every East Asian female worker wears protective gear, helmets, gloves, eye protection, and heat-resistant clothing.
What you've seen today is not just a manufacturing process of noting, it's the foundation of modern construction.
These tests ensure the bars meet U.S. construction standards.
Before shipment, every batch goes through quality testing.
Each bar is measured precisely. Accuracy is essential. Even a small error can affect construction safety.
Safety training is continuous because steel manufacturing demands discipline and focus.
Steel construction bars may remain hidden inside concrete, but their role is critical. They provide strength, stability, and safety.
The next time you see a building rise, remember the steel behind it. Thanks for watching.